You wouldn't do the world a favor by becoming someone else. You do the world a favor by becoming who you were created to be. Because if God had intended for you to be someone else, you simply wouldn't be here. You would be someone different. Stop trying to fit into a mold you were never designed for. Stop letting culture define what is beautiful, what is valuable, what is enough. God has already spoken over your life. In Psalm 139, 13 to 14, it says, "You were formed in the depths of your mother's womb, fearfully and wonderfully made." So let me ask you, have you ever looked in the mirror and said with conviction, "I am a wonderful creation of God"? Because what many people do instead is the opposite. They look at themselves and see flaws. They see mistakes. They see what they are not. And slowly, that internal voice becomes a battle. You failed again. You're not disciplined. You will never change. You are not enough. And that message repeats over and over and over again. But listen closely, you are not a finished product. God is still working on you. The Word says He transforms us from glory to glory. So it's not instant perfection, it's a process of becoming. The problem is, many people don't know how to live in the process. They judge themselves so harshly that they never allow themselves to grow. Yes, you have weaknesses. We all do. Yes, there are areas that need improvement. But self-condemnation does not make you better, it only holds you back. God is not pleased with your inner destruction. He is shaping you, not rejecting you. Like a potter with clay, He is forming something with purpose. The process is not always fast, but it is always intentional. You don't control God's timing, you only trust His work. So stop fighting yourself, because when you are in internal war, you lose external strength. You have more right things in you than you realize. And even though you are not where you want to be, you are no longer who you used to be. Look back and see how far God has brought you. That is also grace. If you cannot love yourself in a healthy way, you will struggle to reflect love outward. What you believe inside is what you project outside. But today, God is calling you higher, to accept yourself while you are being transformed, to walk with your weaknesses without being defined by them, to move forward without self-hate. You are not rejected. You are not a mistake. You are not broken beyond repair. You are under divine construction. And if you walk in that truth, the chains inside your mind begin to break. Your identity becomes strong. Your heart comes into alignment and your life begins to move forward. God is not finished with you. He is still shaping you so you can rise and become exactly who He created you to be.